Hello, today we will guide you through how to use LuxAlgo Session Indicator. To get started, open your browser and go to the LuxAlgo website, the AI algorithmic trading platform. This is where you can browse available tools and indicators in their library. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the main site and that the top navigation is visible, since that's where you'll find the next option. From there, look to the top right area of the page and click on Library. This section contains the collection of indicators and tools available through the platform. If you don't spot it immediately, just scan across the upper navigation bar until you see the library option. Once you're inside the library, move to the search area and type Session Indicator. Entering the exact name helps narrow down the results quickly, especially if the library contains a large number of tools. Make sure the spelling matches so the correct result appears. After searching, look through the results for Session Indicator. At this stage, you're simply confirming that the correct item is listed. It's a good idea to pause for a second and check the title carefully so you don't open the wrong tool by mistake, especially if there are similarly named entries. When you find Session Indicator, click on it to open its dedicated page. This page usually provides more detail about the indicator and gives you access options. Opening the indicator page is the step that takes you from browsing into actually preparing to use the tool. Next, click on Get Access. This is the option that allows you to enable the indicator for your account or workspace. Depending on your setup, the page may take a moment to update, so give it a second if nothing happens right away. After access has been granted, click on Use on Chart. This sends the indicator directly to your charting interface so you can begin working with it visually. If your chart platform opens in a new tab or window, that's completely normal. At this point, the LuxAlgo Session Indicator should be ready to use on your chart. If you're following along in real time, it can help to wait for each page to finish loading before moving to the next click. That makes the process smoother and helps avoid selecting the wrong option. And that's it. You've successfully gone from the LuxAlgo homepage to enabling the Session Indicator and opening it on a chart.